I'm doing my best.
Whoa! Here we go.
I can't believe how fast I'm going.
Whoa!
So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah!
Oh, check it out! I'm at the pit stop. Race car driving is a team sport that takes so many people. It takes over 20 people to change these tires in 2 seconds or less. Let's watch. Cover your ears. Oh my goodness, that was so fast. Do you see all of these people working so hard? Great job, everyone. So cool, so fast. Whoa, this is a really cool experience because I can go in there and feel what it's going to feel like to have G-force. Yeah, as soon as the cars start the race, they accelerate so fast that all this wind comes flying at them. Wait, should I try it? Yeah, okay, come on, let's check it out. Oh, okay, I have some safety glasses here. Okay. And stand here. Okay, let's do this. I'm ready to feel what it feels like. Stand by for 1 second. Whoa! I was going so fast. That's crazy. Oh, well, thank you.
Hey, it's me, Blippi.
And hey, it's me, Meekah.
You see what I see? Whoa! A giant racetrack!
We're at the Daytona International Speedway.
In Daytona Beach, Florida.
And hey, Blippi, look! Race cars!
They're so colorful. I think we should take a closer look.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
See, I told you, a real race car.
Yeah, Meekah, you were right. Whoa, and this looks like a really fast race car.
Yeah, and look. Do you know this animal on front?
Oh, Meekah, I know this animal. It's a horse.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, but Meekah, do you notice something? Oh, look. This grill is a sticker, and these headlights are also stickers.
Why?
Huh. Well, they're stickers because you wouldn't want the headlights to be made of glass if you're racing. It's a lot safer if it's just a sticker.
Oh yeah, first things first.
Safety first! I'm so excited to get out there on the track and speed around.
Get in!
Time to climb in. Whoa, here we go. 1 leg and 2 leg. Woo!
Watch your head.
Whoa! Woo. And remember, you don't want to forget your seatbelt.
Yay, go Blippi! Woo!
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa, this is really fast. Check it out! Yeah! Here we go! Oh, this is kind of bumpy. Look at how fast I'm going. Watch out, here comes Blippi! Woo! Yeah!
Woohoo! Great job, Blippi!
Whoa! That was so much fun, Meekah!
Yay!
Whoa, but now that I finished driving, it's your turn.
Yay, it's my turn.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa, that's fun.
Okay, time for me to get in.
Whoa, there you go. Whoa, and while Meekah's driving, I'm gonna be cheering her on. Woo!
Here I go.
See you at the finish line.
Whoa.
Come on. Oh, maybe we can come up with our very own cheer for Meekah. Meekah, Meekah, Meekah. Meekah, 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 Meekah. Yeah! Go, Meekah! Woo!
Whoa, this is so cool. I can't believe I'm driving a real race car. Yeah! Vroom, vroom. Race car Meekah coming down the track.
She's right there! Meekah! Woohoo! Yeah!
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Blippi.
Whoa! That was fast!
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! I can't believe how fast I'm going. Whoa! This is so fast.
Whoa! That's her! Meekah! Woo!
Whoa!
Whoa! Meekah, that was awesome! Whoa! Pretty tricky getting out of there.
I know,
Need
it's
a hand?
hard.
Whoa!
That was so fun!
Yeah!
We rode in a real race car! We did it! We did it! We never ever quit it! We did it!
Woo!
Woo!
Whoa! Yeah! Something we can do with these cars is race. Look,
Okay.
they're remote controlled.
Cool!
Whoa, here's one for me and
one for
you.
me.
I probably split this down.
Yes.
Okay, on your mark.
Get set!
And go!
Go! Woo!
Hey! I'm gonna get you, Meekah!
No, you're not! I'm in the lead!
I'm right behind you! Woo! I'm right behind you!
Whee!
Whoa! It looks like
A
it's
best friend tie!
It's a tie! Yeah!
Check it out!
Hey guys.
Race car driver Tyler ready!
Whoa!
Hey, Tyler.
How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah.
Glad you guys are here.
Oh yeah, we've been having so much fun today, learning all about cars.
Yeah.
We'd love to practice race car driving.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, do you think you could tell us a little bit more and maybe help us on the simulators?
I absolutely can. We got 3 simulators here and 3 things to keep in mind at Daytona. Don't lift off the gas.
Okay.
Be very smooth with the steering wheel. And don't hit the brake.
Whoa!
Don't hit the brake.
Yeah.
Those are pretty good
straightforward.
tips.
Yeah.
Whoa!
So yeah, this is the steering wheel. And on this steering wheel here, you'll have the shifter to go up gears on this side. And this to go down gears on this side.
Whoa.
Under here, you got the gas pedal on the right. The brake is in the middle. And the clutch is on the left. The clutch is kind of helps the car get going.
Oh, okay.
How many gears are there?
There are 5 gears. So as you go up through the gears, you'll end up in 5th gear. That's the gear you want to be in.
Whoa, because we're going fast!
Yes, very fast. Yeah.
Well, that sounds pretty fun.
Yeah.
Do you think we could all race together?
Let's do it. Yeah. Let's see what you got.
Let's have some fun!
Yeah! Here we go! Whoa, I can't believe we get to race an actual race car driver! Here we go! I'm gonna win! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah!
Great job, Tyler! Great job,
Whoa!
You guys on the racetrack going the right way?
We are!
I don't know!
Yeah, I am definitely going the right way.
I'm doing my best.
Whoa!
I'm struggling over here.
Whoa!
But it's still fun.
I think I'm right behind you, Tyler, but not sure.
Who's gonna
I see you back there.
I can imagine being out there with all those cars. Oh, so fast. Definitely be exciting.
You guys are doing great.
Thanks, Tyler!
Aw, thanks. Whoa, Tyler, I want to beat you.
All right, let's see what you got.
No, I'm gonna win.
Coming to the stripe.
Here we go.
I don't know who won. I can't tell.
Yeah, it looks like I got 5-1-2-4-2.
5-1-2-4-2. I had a 5-1-1-5-0, but hey, that's really close. I think you're ready. What'd you get?
Nothing.
Oh,
No?
that was
Oh, no.
fun. Whoa, well, Tyler won the race, but that makes sense because he's a professional.
Hey, Do you see that ladder and that platform? Yeah, someone stands there during the race and waves these flags. Green means go! Yellow means caution, slow down. And red means stop. And the checkered flag means the race is over. Yeah. Okay, now that I've learned about the cars and the drivers and the track, I think I'm ready to try driving.
Whoa, check it out. I'm at the pit stop challenge. Did you know that when cars are racing, sometimes they need to get new tires? So there's a whole team in the pit to change the tires as fast as possible because it's in the middle of a race. Whoa, it looks like this tire needs to be changed. Usually it's done with 3 people, but, well, Team Meekah is only 1 person. I think I got this. First things first, safety first. Some safety glasses and some gloves to protect my hand. All right, step 1, remove the nut. Next, you have to move the tire. Now, we need to put a new one on. Oh, here we go. There we go. Now we have to put the nut back on. Nice! Job well done. All right. Now we need to keep looking for that missing number. Come on, race car. Vroom, vroom, vroom!